The flexibility of Entré means that operators in many different roles can use the software to accomplish tasks without permitting access to unneeded modules. When adding an operator to Entré, a profile must be assigned to them. Operator profiles are a predefined set of permissions that determine what portions of Entré a user will have access to. Open the configuration menu and select Operator Profiles. To create a new profile, click the Add button and select the template for the profile. It is recommended to start with the least restrictive profile template. Click the OK button and name the profile. Use the tabs to set permissions for the different parts of the Entré software. The General tab deals with a user's ability to manage their login and what workstations an operator can use to log into Entré. The Modules tab is used to limit interaction with the modules in Entré. Permission to send commands to systems and their devices is defined in the Device Commands tab. The Data Types tab determines what fields an operator will see within each module. Click Save and Close to finish creating the profile. It is now available for assignment to any operator of the Entré software. To create a new operator, open the configuration menu and select Operators. Click the Add button to open the Add Login window. Enter the username and password for this user. Click the Select button to associate this operator with a system user. Use Effective and Expires fields to define how long this login will be valid. In the Profile section, select the operator profile that will be applied to this user. They are now restricted to only seeing the information included in their profile. For more training videos and information about Entré, visit dmp.com.